Today, we're diving into the realm of professional workstation graphics with the NVIDIA Quadro 3000M. This MXM 3.0 type card is tailored for power users, specifically designed for HP EliteBook and Dell Precision mobile workstations. Sporting 2 GB of GDDR5 memory, this card packs a punch for demanding tasks like CAD, 3D rendering, and video editing. Straight out of the gate, let's address its condition. While it's brand new, don't be alarmed if you notice some minor scratches or thermal compound residue. This is simply because each unit undergoes rigorous testing before shipping. It's reassuring to know that it's been put through its paces and validated with 3D mark tests in actual laptops. Compatibility is always a concern with hardware upgrades, but fear not. The NVIDIA Quadro 3000M supports Windows 7, 8, and 10, ensuring a smooth transition for most users. However, do keep in mind that some laptops might require a BIOS update for seamless integration. Performance-wise, the Quadro 3000M boasts a GPU clock speed of 900 MHz, providing ample horsepower for professional applications. Whether you're designing intricate models or crunching numbers for simulations, this card delivers the goods. One notable aspect is its Fermi architecture, akin to the GeForce GTX 470M. While it doesn't support ECC memory or DP floating point calculations like its higher-tier counterparts, it still offers a robust solution for graphics-intensive tasks. Valley of the Sun, with over a decade of experience in laptop graphics cards, stands behind their product with a 3-month warranty and lifetime tech support. It's evident they prioritize customer satisfaction and product quality. In summary, if you're seeking to breathe new life into your HP or Dell mobile workstation, the NVIDIA Quadro 3000M is a compelling choice. Its blend of performance, reliability, and professional-grade features makes it a worthy upgrade for discerning users. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.